So guys, this is your Android guide, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hack Wi-Fi using different kinds of apps. And using these apps you can perform different attacks on another phone, and you can even control another devices connected over the Wi-Fi. So with that being said, let's get started. So guys, this is your Android guide, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hack Wi-Fi using your Android phone. So for doing that, you will simply need an application which is known as Xanthi. You can get it on its official site, which is imperium.com, but you have to provide your email. So you can provide your email and you can then download the application. But if you don't want to provide the email, you can simply go to the APK here site, where you simply have to search for Xanthi, and then you can click on download button. So after clicking download button, there will be a page which will ask you to enter a code, and the code will be provided. In this case it says FKZDQ. After writing the code, you will install the application. So now after installing the application, we will just need another application which is available on Play Store. The application is Fing. So we will need Fing for the detection of different devices which are connected to the same Wi-Fi that we are connected, so that we will know the IP address of the device which we are gonna hack. So in this case I'm gonna select Aditya PC, which has 2.5 as last digits of IP address. So now we know the IP address. Then we will open Xanthi, and after opening Xanthi we will search for the devices. So now you see there are different devices, but it's third from the last, which says 2.5 in the last digit of IP address, 2 digits. So we will click on it, and now we will click on man in the middle, which is a type of attack that we are gonna perform. So by opening, you will see there are lots of sections: logged request, logged images. These two sections help you to see whatever user is doing, and other options like SSL strip, redirect HTTP. These are type of attacks that we are gonna perform. But in this case I'm gonna perform SSL strip. So for performing this SSL strip, we just have to click the off or on button, that is just upside. So after clicking, this attack will be activated, and now it says Xanthi is using your MITM network. So now we will search something on the PC, my PC, Aditya PC, like revdel.com or simply revdel. And after clicking search, we will again go to the Android device and click on the first option, which is logged request. So now it will show you, it's the first option says revdel.com, the same site that I have searched, and in this way it will show you each and every site that I'm gonna use. Or now I'm gonna open google.com, so it must show, and hell yeah, it shows. And also there are different sites which are not the same that you are opening. They are just the undetectable ads, which are, I'm not gonna consider them useful or something like that. So now I'm trying to open Google, and also it shows you number of requests provided or asked by the user laptop or PC or phone. So now I'm gonna search for Android images, so that also I can show you that I can even see the images that the user search. So searching for it, and now we will click on the images for Android, or simply images, so that there are just images. So after the images are opening, we will also see them on my Android device. In this way you can get everything, and just we need to go back and click on logged images. So now you see there are lots of images, the same images that I have searched on my PC, or trying to download them or get them or seeing them. So now you see that I can see everything that user does. And also we will, now it's loading, so wait for it to complete. So after it completed, I'm gonna search Android guide, my channel name, you know it. and we will search for it, and takes little time. So now these are the search results for Android Guide. So we can again go to logged images, and not sorry about that, logged images. So it takes little time, that's why it shows glitches, different glitches. It takes time to update. So in this way you can even see all the images the user is downloading or trying to get. And also I'm gonna show you how to get Facebook password. So for doing that, you simply have to wait for the user to log in their Facebook. So in down you see there is an option of Facebook which I have used. So we will go to passwords, as it had two password and two request. So the username is before the colon and password is after colon. So in this way you can get even the passwords of Facebook that user is trying to. Guys, this is Desploit, and you can see the first one is the network subnet mask, second one is the router, and third one is my phone itself, and the other three are the devices which are connected to the same router that I am connected. So you can either refresh this so that you can get the present devices which are connected to it. So first we will select a device, so let's select this one, and now you can see you just have to select a module to run. So you can see there are lots of modules like trace, port scanner, inspector, log tracker, MITM attacks. So I'm gonna select MITM, and in MITM you can see there are lots of options like simple sniff, password sniffer, session hijacker, kill connections, redirect, replace images, replace videos, custom filter, etc. So let's click on redirection. So whatever site I write here, so the host will be redirected to the site that is written here. Like if I write facebook.com, the user or the victim opens any site, the site that will open is facebook.com. So we will activate it by clicking on OK, and now it's activated. So now we can also deactivate it by clicking on again redirect. So that's pretty much about this app, and let's move. So guys, this is Netcut. So make sure that you click on this defender button so that no one attacks you, and you can refresh it so that you can see the devices which are connected to your router. And after clicking refresh, you will see the devices, and you can click on anyone so that the connection to it will be stopped. So I'm gonna select the third one, and after clicking it, you see that its color is red. It means the connection to it has been stopped. So move on to next option, which is report. So in report you can see the devices which are connected and how much they are using. And next option is just options. So moving on to options, and here you can select cutoff method, or you can select if you want to use a fake MAC address, and other options are slow scan, root enabled, etc. And moving on to pro, so nothing is here useful for us. So that's pretty much about this Netcut. So guys, this is Netcut, and you might be thinking why it's not starting. So it's just refreshing or detecting the devices. So yeah, it started, and you can see that basically two devices connected, Mukund and work group. So we will click on Mukund, and that means that the net connection to Mukund has been stopped or slowed down to minimum level. And if we click again on it, the restriction of net connection to Mukund will be removed. So we will click on it, and yeah, connection has been removed, and again I clicked on it, so restriction is allowed. So that's pretty much about this app, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So guys, the last application is Wi-Fi Kill. You may be wondering why did I kept it in the list. So I kept it in the list because it is old, but it works quite fine. and that's why I use it. So you can start it by clicking on this play button, and it will start detecting the devices which are connected to your router. So you can see until now it has detected about 2 devices, and still the search is going on, so it takes little time and we have to wait for it. So guys, I want to tell you that please help me reach about 5,000 subscribers. So I upload videos, good videos, and soon I'm gonna buy a camera, then I can shoot HD videos in about 1080 pixel. So, and also please subscribe if you are new. So it is searching, so we have to wait for it to complete its search, and it's about to finish. So after the search is completed, you simply have to click on a selected device, or either you can click on you can select all by clicking on grab all, and then you can click on just kill all, so the connection to all of the devices will be slowed down or completely stopped. So that's pretty much about this Wi-Fi kill. And guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So that will be all.